The third tab is the Insert tab. This, along with the Home tab, is where you will probably spend most of your time. As the name implies, the Insert tab enables you to insert items onto the slide. Because you are inserting new items onto the slide, almost all icons and options are available to you when you open the tab. There are 7 sections on the Insert tab. They are Slide, AI Assistant, Content Library 360, Media, Text, Interactive Objects, and Publish. The Slide section allows you to add a slide layer, convert the slide to a freeform slide, and insert a zoom region. A slide layer is essentially a slide within a slide. Selecting the Convert to Freeform icon opens a pop-up window and allows you to insert a freeform question slide. A freeform question slide can be used to ask the learner to think about something or do something outside of a standard knowledge check. If you insert a zoom region, the lesson will automatically zoom in on the selected region. You can set when the zoom occurs using the timeline. It is important to know, though you can resize the zoom region, its proportions are fixed, and you cannot adjust the speed the lesson zooms into and out of the selected area. The AI Assistant on the Insert tab has the same options and functionality as it did on the Home tab. The content library contains graphics developed and curated by Articulate for you to use in your lesson. The characters icon will give you a selection of photographic and illustrated avatars you can use. Avatars are a wonderful way to personalize the lesson and to engage the learner. Articulate also has a selection of licensed images, illustrations, icons, and videos for you to download and use. When you select one of these icons, you will see a pop-up window with a search field. Enter a word describing what you are looking for, and the library will give you options fitting your search criteria. The media section is divided into 2 halves, where you will insert self-generated audio and visual elements. If you select the picture icon, you will be inserting an image from your computer, but if you select the down arrow, you can select an image from somewhere else in the lesson, an AI-generated image or a screen capture image. The 360-degree image icon allows you to insert photos taken by a 360-degree camera. Selecting the shape icon will always open a drop-down menu to create a custom-sized shape, such as a rectangle, circle, arrow, or star. The equation icon will open a window where you can type in an equation or formula to be displayed on the slide. The right half is used to insert audio tracks and videos, along with linking to an external website outside of the lesson. The text section is used to insert textual elements on the screen. Initially, the symbol, reference, and hyperlink options will be grayed out. But when you are typing in a text box or table, you will be able to use these icons. The Interactive Objects section contains pre-programmed element that you can insert and customize. The button icon will insert a shape the learner can select. The button will have pre-programmed states that tell the learner if he or she is able to select the button or not. The slider and dial perform the same function. They just have a different looking interface for the learner. Both items will have a customizable numerical variable and the ability to adjust the number of positions. A hotspot is a region on the slide the learner can select. It differs from the button in that the region is transparent and it doesn't have the pre-programmed stated. Think of it as a shape with no fill and no outline. This can be handy if you are having the learner select a specific item on the slide. The input object will insert a checkbox or a radio button. Radio buttons are the selectable circles you see on an electronic survey to the left of the answer options. The marker icon will insert a small circular icon. When the user hovers over the icon marker, a caption window will appear and giving the learner additional information. Triggers are used to tell the lesson to do something. When you select the trigger icon, a wizard will open allowing you to set the parameters for that item and action. If you have limited space for an item, you can use a scrolling panel to allow the learner to scroll vertically through the material. If you are creating a screen capture video, Storyline will insert the mouse actions for you. The mouse options will allow you to add additional mouse actions. Finally, we have the Publish section. You have the same options as you did on the Home tab, but have to use the down arrow to see them.